Antonio 911. This is Patricia. Do you need police, fire, or EMS?
Police.
To what location?
It's ma'am, I had an incident happen at the stores. I don't know if this guy's drunk or what, but he's carrying a pistol and he's showing it off and saying
where
who's
at?
next, who's next. It was at the corner store, but he went to go hide inside the motel at 1404 Culebra Rd.
Even though you don't need a license, you're still able to carry a pistol while intoxicated? That's what I'm at.
You don't. Never mind. Whatever. I'm going to go knock on 112. Police department. Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun!